This life I walk in faith, darkness not a slave. Jesus has my gaze, but I've been feeling prayed out, trying to find a way out. God, I need your help now. Come show me. I've been trying to run away, feel like going in my head, feel like sitting up in God's bedroom, making music I don't talk to them. Remember when I used to pray? Now I'm chilling with the Most High, and I can't even get enough. Can't keep going to what I used to know. Lord, please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going. Now listen, daughter, pay attention, pray and listen, hear your father. These lies they told are so familiar. They will haunt you, they will kill you, keep you hostage, king will heal you, keep you bonded, king fulfill you. I promise your God said before him, adore him. He will give you everything. Come and take it. Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Lord, please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going. Keep running back to another, 'cause you saved me, that I might come back to be lover. Keep running back to another, 'cause you saved me, that I might come back. Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Lord, please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going back. I've been through some things, ups and downs some days, but I'll call your name. This life I walk in faith, darkness not a slave. Jesus has my gaze, but I've been feeling prayed out, trying to find a way out. God, I need your help now. Come show me. I've been trying to run away, feel like going in my head, feel like sitting up in God's bedroom, making music I don't talk to them. Remember when I used to pray? Now I'm chilling with the Most High, and I can't even get enough. Can't keep going.